How to withdraw money from Sweet Wallet. First, log into your Sweet Wallet account and here this is the home page of your Sweet Wallet account, and here you will find the Sweet coin available in your account. You can transfer your coin into another account that you can make a deal that you will send the Sweet coin or any other uh, Bitcoin or currency like this. Then they will give you the cash money to you. That's how you can withdraw real money by a deal. Also, you can trade this or you can withdraw these coins through the USDT. This is the most popular Bitcoin that are available right now in Sweet Wallet. You just need to click on portfolio and scroll a little down, and from here you will find USDT. You can convert your Sweet coin in USDT, and also you can convert it in Ethereum. But for USDT, it's now going downgrade, but don't worry, you can use Ethereum also. But USDT is the most easiest way to convert the Sweet coin into real money. Actually, there is no direct withdrawal option available in the Sweet wallet. So you just need to follow these indirect methods, like you have to exchange your Sweet wallet coin into some cryptocurrency. Then you just need to transfer this cryptocurrency to your another account, or you just need to sell your cryptocurrency. That's how you can get the real money from Sweet coin or Sweet wallet. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.